Okay, so this is from Friday, um, and here we are again. Okay, here we have EU. As we can see, we started changing the trend to a downtrend here, and well, it wasn't like this wasn't really clear at all because yeah, had like some kind of um, relevant liquidity here, but well, yeah. The day started with this move to the downside here. Um, some sort of break of structure here and relevant liquidity taken here, but I didn't see this and I couldn't trade that, which would have been pretty good. But yeah, we didn't have an engulfing candle here, maybe this one, but yeah, the mitigation was here, so yeah, the trade should have been here, okay, with this target, as it was relevant liquidity on M5 that broke this structure on H1. In London we had this breakdown here, which that way I wanted to trade down, but with the timing and everything I couldn't. And then in New York we had this break up, but it never came down to enter, so yeah, nothing at all on EU. Then on GU we had the change of trend already months before. And now well, yeah, we had like some sort of, maybe it's inducing some buyers to continue going down here. We started the day with this break of structure to the upside, and then this breakdown, but there was nothing to the left to trade, so I didn't trade that. I maybe was looking for a buy, but there's nothing to the left, so yeah, pretty difficult. And then in the afternoon we had this breakdown of structure to take this reliability on M5, and then break up. So we had a break of structure to the upside with relevant liquidity to the left. I didn't see this because I was having lunch and I wasn't focused here. So it took the relevant liquidity on M1, and with this engulfing candle probably I would have entered here. I like it more if it takes this high, but yeah, it looks pretty good to me. So it would have been 1 to 5. I saw it late, so I had no time to enter, but yeah, this was really nice. We had an engulfing candle on M5, so yeah, pretty nice trade taking this high. USD CHF here. Right now we are having an uptrend here. We took this high to the left in Asia. I didn't look for a sell here because there was nothing to the left really. Like, yes, we took this high, but here we had nothing. So I just waited for this break of structure, and then I waited for this relevant liquidity to be taken. That took this high to the left, which was like some sort of support, break and retest and everything. Maybe it would have been a good sell as it was like break and retest, inducement, and well, everything. But yeah, I wasn't sure about that because there was nothing really to the left apart from that, and we didn't take the reliability here, so yeah, nothing really. And then New York, we had this breakdown, which if it like yeah, the reliability was here, so maybe this was reliability. I'm not sure about that. So yeah, I didn't take this. Maybe I could have, but I didn't. So yeah, I didn't trade really on Friday because I was having lunch and well, I had things to think about and shit to do. So yeah. So USD JPY, we are having an uptrend too. We started the day with well, this is a breakup, but nothing relevant really. With a breakdown, really nothing to the left here, like maybe this high, but we didn't take it. And so it continued down, and here we had no break obstructor, so couldn't look for a buy. Like I know that there was nothing here, so maybe we could have looked for a buy here, but I didn't look for a buy because there was nothing here, and this was probably relevant liquidity on M5 here. Yep, well. And well, so it changed the structure, and then we had here a breakdown, but there was nothing to the left like this, but the round liquidity was here, as you can see, round liquidity in M5, and it took this low here. Yeah. So yeah, here was nothing. Maybe I could have looked for a buy, but yeah, round liquidity here, so no, nothing at all. Nasdaq, which I'm thinking about changing Nasdaq and US30 for Russell and S&P as they are more clean, I think. But well, I have to try them. Nasdaq, we had like this break of structure to the upside. Here, nothing to the left really. Maybe this relevant liquidity here, but I wasn't sure. So yeah. Then we had this breakdown with nothing to the left to SMT probably. So I was looking for a buy here, but I didn't take it. I had to go. And then we took this relevant liquidity on M5 here. The interesting thing is that we took this high, this structure, and then yeah, this was a really good trade. I don't know why I didn't take it. I didn't see it, I think. But we had the break of structure, relevant liquidity on M1 taken, and engulfing candle here. So yeah, it took this low, so maybe I would have had a stop loss and then another entry. But yeah, it was pretty good here. BOI. Yeah, because it took this high, so it came back to take the relevant liquidity on M5 probably here. Okay, but well, this was a really good trade. Maybe it would have been a break even. Yeah, probably break even and partial here. So yeah, good trade. And then the US30 here. I expected this to be an S&T, but it wasn't. We had this breakdown here, but there was nothing to the left, so I wanted to look for buys with this break of structure. Nothing at all, and then we had this breakdown here. Nothing to the left too, so yeah, no trades for me. I bought an account, a 100k account. I bought one to try it. Maybe I'm gonna have to trade only in the mornings now, just because I'm looking for a job, and well, yeah, that's it. Well, and let's see if in the morning I can trade correctly and properly, and well, and look. I want just to look for perfect entries with all the confirmations, and that's it. Okay. So well, see you tomorrow.